So check this out, guys. You're going to need a few of these tools. I think this is probably what you'll need for this gig. This is what I'm using for the interior, okay, because it doesn't need to be as big on the inside. And this size seems to be rather appropriate for just getting the nozzle through from the inside, you know, which I will be drilling from the outside, and I'll show you what that means. This is a 2.5, okay? Now watch this. This one is a 3 1/4. It's a little bigger. All right, I think it's a 3 1/4. Let's make double sure. 3.5, sorry, 3.5. So you got a 2.5 and a 3.5, okay, guys? Mark out your area as best as you can. And, you know, I wanted it to be in line with that. You know, I wanted it to be just a little bit lower than that, you know. I wanted it to be lower to the floor so that way it just came out, trickled out, you know. So you basically, you just go real careful with your pit, you know, with your bit, and just kind of like ease it in like a gentleman, all right? And you groove it in. Try to wear goggles, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? I'm doing this with one hand, but to give you an example. So once we pop that out, go to the next video and I'll show you what goes down.